Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. It's Baby Planner Nerd, yay! Now, you haven't not seen me in a long time from my last video from 2018, since right now it's 2019. But anyways, so today I'm going to be doing my week, since it's June right now, when I'm recording this video. Anyways, so today we are going to just see my little chores, because that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so that's good enough. It's pretty hard to take these stickers off because they're so hard to take off. It's kind of hard, even though I'm not even wearing nails like my mom. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Anyways, for the next thing I'm gonna do, now I have a few stickers left, a lot. So I'm going to be using these stickers for things I'm supposed to do to take care of myself, like brush my teeth, wash my face, put on deodorant, and all that. Kind of like my dog too, like peanut butter. I just need to get a pair of scissors because these also have white spot pieces on them. So yeah. And I don't really like the white pieces very much because they're kind of annoying. Yes, they are. So I'm going to soon be using these for the times I'm going to let the dog out. So I let him out, so I should let him out every 3 hours and I get a ticket for it. Which is bad as the truth. Also, I'm going to have to be combining a little bit because I'm just going to be doing these on this side of the page. This side, I think I'm just going to be drawing it. I'm not much of a talker, to be honest, but so I'm not.
Lies.
Okay, sorry, that was my mom, or as you guys should be calling her, Adulting with Novia. Anyways, so yeah, today I wanted to do a planner video because I haven't done it since 2018, which I think is pretty annoying of me. Yeah. But hey, after the week of that, I was sick. Sick, I say. Sick. And it really wasn't that great or anything at all. So, no. Anyway, so right now I'm going to be writing the times when I should be letting my dog out, Peanut Butter. Yeah, that's right. He's it's spelled the same thing as peanut butter as in in a jar or something. Or like a peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter and jelly sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Still, anyways. So the time I should be letting him out is, you can't really see it, but you can mostly likely see it there. I let him out at 7:50. And then I let him out to 10 o'clock. Sorry, I forgot to write the AM. I also have some sparkle tape, and I like to add it under the green swirly donut thing. I have no idea what that really is. There we go. I like purple and pink very much. I'm gonna be adding a sticker too, because that's kind of my thing. I add stickers. Yeah, here's also a bookmark for the planner. Yeah. It's kind of hard to put it in for what it's made out of. You have to just really push it in. I'm going to be writing the few things I'm going to be doing this week. Okay, so that's gonna have to do good enough because deodorant actually is a pretty long word. It really is.
Well, then this is abbreviated to DEO.
Oh.
DEO, period.
Well, usually I would just make it shorter, but nah, I just want you guys to kind of understand a bit, and also I didn't want to cut the fast forwarding. Anyways, so yeah, deodorant, I tried very hard to just write that tiny and to make it clear. I'm gonna also use the word practice for practice writing on cursive because soon I'm gonna be writing cursive. Well, yeah, I'm trying to learn and all that. It's kind of a bit hard, but not at the same time. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna use my favorite color, which is, I think I'll just use my favorite color, which is here. Yeah, I have to practice cursive, and I'm also going to be writing what I'm supposed to be doing for my schoolwork after when I do this part. And the bottom's going to be let dog out. Right now, I'm going to be writing the schoolwork I have to do for each day. Okay, so basically I have to do a few things that are my schoolwork and also not, because I'm going to also be writing my chores and all that, obviously. So anyways, so just from a bit ago, I wrote these lines, okay? Now, I have to do different kinds of sheets. Yes, I do. Sheet A, sheet B, sheet C, sheet D, sheet E, and also sheet F. Yeah, I have quite a few other sheets, which are 6 different kind of math sheets. Don't worry, it's okay. It's actually just how my math works. So yeah, it's good, to be honest. It's just kind of boring. We have to go to the library every single Monday. Almost every single Monday. Like, sometimes we go to the park or the library. I don't know which one it's going to be the new location, but So yeah, I have 6 kind of math sheets. That's my schoolwork for that day. I'll talk about this day soon because the school I had to do this day is writing. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna have to write down my chores, which is basically gonna be the bathroom. Because usually when I do this, I just write the word bathroom on top. Okay, so there. Yeah. So there, we have the word bathroom. Now we're gonna have to write the things what I have to do for the bathroom, which are completely 5 things. So the school I have to do for Tuesday is writing. Yeah. It's not really that easy, but I don't know really what story I'm on, but usually I would do it with my mom. So the next thing I have to do for school, it's called, okay, you should know, grammar. Yay! Oh no, I did not know. Okay, you gotta admit that was satisfying. On this day, I had to read a friendship book. Reading, 2 chapters. Also, at the time, I'm actually going to be going somewhere else this week. Next week. We're gonna go to a place called 6 Flags. You may look it up, it's very cool and fun. If you went there, then leave a like. Please, if you've been there, just so we know. And also if you liked the video. I'm going to be cleaning up because that is going to be it for today. I will make a future video. So yeah, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe because you need to, and also just so you know in case I make another video. So yeah, leave a like. Okay, bye.